a little cover out of electric tape, so I saved my RTV. Yuck. Okay. Whoops. Alright. Oh, that was close. Alright, we make sure that the oil pump dowel, the oil pump gear rather, whatever you call it, is straight up and down. And we're going to push this straight in. It should align with the dowels. Fortunately, these new timing covers, you know, everything comes pre-packed. You don't even have to do the main seal. Okay, I believe this will fit this way. Let's see. Around and up. Is it hitting? Striking what? Oh, the upper tensioner. So if I go, let's see, can I go from the back, from the top? I don't think so. Let's see. I just gotta get it. Gotta get this other side up. Can I crank the engine? I can probably crank the engine up. Yeah, let me try that. Yeah, I'm going to try cranking the engine up. Make sure I didn't ruin this with oil. Okay, this one first. This one? Oh, I can't. Okay. I think that'll clear now. Let me check my surfaces again. See if I need to re-cover any of these. No, I think I'll be fine. Well, shoot. No, I do see some I messed up. Couple spots. Repaired a couple beads, repair a couple spots I wiped off. Okay, let's just stuff this in a bag. In a box. Okay. One more time. closed, damn it. So if I could take the tensioner off. I don't think it's possible to do from above. I mean, I know it's possible to do because we took it off. Alright, let's get these hoses, wires up out of the way. Whoa! Okay, almost lost a box of stuff. I'm going to try raising it more. I don't know how high I can go. I mean, I assume I can just go and go until... I mean, there's nothing holding this engine in right now. Alright. Problem is, it looks like as I go up, that's when the crank doesn't want to line up with the cover. So what do I have to do? Lower it, put it on the crank, raise it to get over the... That doesn't make any sense. See, now I can't get it past the crank. Maybe if I could lower it a little bit, get it up over the crank. I'm going to try that. I know I didn't have to do that to get the other one off. So I'm confused. Shit. Well, I'm glad that other one's really good. Okay. Another product I can't recommend. Husky. Holy crap. This no-name brand seemed to be a lot better. Okay, well. Yeah. You know, if this slips and falls now, I'll probably lose a hand. It just has to get a little higher. You know, I kind of feel like maybe it's these bolts that the D&J timer kit came with. It's almost. Alright, let's slowly lower this down. Just not possible. This makes 0 sense. I mean, now I gotta raise it just to recover this thing. Move the power steering belt, pulley pump back. I'm going to see if I can get it on from the rear. That is very close. I think it needs to drop. Ooh. Just a tiny bit. Now does it go past? No. Drop it a little more. Wow. Alright, are my dowels on right? Is my oil pump on right? Do I want to stick my body underneath of this thing with how that husky... yep, it's on. Alright. It is aligned. Hooey! Can't really get it all the way on with this. That one is gonna go in there. I don't know if the cover's lined up yet. So we're not gonna tighten that one in. That was scary as heck. Alright. Having my first bolt. This is just a bolt. Put some oil on it. That is the hole I got it out of. Yeah. For my first trick, why in the world would that not go in? Like, it doesn't even feel like it's trying. And yeah, I damaged the stupid gasket. You know what I might do while we wait? Might put some bolts in on the top just to hold it in place while it cures. Those look like, you know, every other bolt on this car. Okay, well, that one does not go in, so another one. Okay, where's my little 10 wrench? Yeah. This big fat one goes. Now this one that has a that held onto the motor, it doesn't even have a brand on it. I don't see one anywhere. Okay. I believe is my 12. So let me grab that little 12, which was floor here. Okay. I want my 1/4" drive ratchet. More convenient. And I don't want to tighten it. There it is. I just want this to align it. Okay. Well done with that one. Get these dowels lined up too. Okay. And let's get a couple more. Yeah, let's get these two bottom ones. Same size? Same size. Alright. Oh, I found my 10mm short one. Good, because I'll need it for the torque wrench. Where is my rubber mallet? Because we're not quite straight on. Huh. We are not going on. Nope. Nope, guess what? It's the ferrule. Yeah, that fucking sucks. Yeah, I guess I gotta censor myself for this one. Yeah. Okay. If you boost it, then you better put some gap in it. No, wait. If you boost it, then you better gap the rings in it. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. I got something there. Okay. So it looks to me like... Actually, it looks to me like it's the dowel that's not lining up. I'm going to give this another go. Nope, the dowel is lining up. It's the ferrule that's not. Alright, well that sucks. Also leaves me with further mystery. What is this? I think I can get it out though. Let's see. Probably, let me try it with my pocket knife. Yeah, just what in the world? I'm pretty certain I did have one here. Okay, I got it out. I really feel like it needs it. It looks like it's going to be pressurized oil. Ah, it's gone. It looks like there will be pressurized oil going through that hole into the timing cover. I mean, I already confirmed it fits in the block. It just doesn't want to fit in the block and then through the cover. So what? Oh, this one's not all the way off. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that goes right in. All right, and does it crush? When I put this back on, does it crush that O-ring? That's the other question. Rubber mallet. No, it's the dowel. You gotta be kidding me. There's no way that they machined the dowel wrong. Yeah, it was not the O-ring. Okay, you just gotta beat the crap into it. Jeez. I don't like that. That feels really wrong. Alright, let me start aligning it with torque. Oh, you know what? I think I said this was a D&J cover. I'm pretty sure this was an evergreen cover. Oh, get you up out of there. Yeah, not good. I did not expect that. But I think I got it in time. Yeah. Whoops. Don't tell anyone I did that. Crap. Derek, come on. It's exhausting. Almost there. There. Jeez. That could have been really bad. Alright. Going in. Going in straight, too. What I'm probably going to do is torque them down to snug. Well, you know what? I guess I better go ahead and torque them down to spec. Alright, I don't think I'll need the hammer anymore. That's good. goes here. Hey, it threads in. All right. This one should thread in here. No, not yet. Okay.